So today what we've decided to do is put some multi-poly carbonate sheets. They're basically a waffle sheet that they use for greenhouses. We're going to put this on the sides of our little outdoor run for the chicken coop. If you've seen in other videos, our chicken coop has a little teeny porch area on the outside, which is great for them in the summer, but in the winter it gets really cold with the wind blowing through there. We've had some really cool days. It's been down into the teens overnight, and the days aren't getting much, close to 40. It's probably about 40 out there right now. It's nice and sunny. But we're going to put these little polycarbonate panels up, and we bought the special channel that snaps together and holds it in place. So we'll show you how we're doing that today. And what this will allow us to do is still have the sun inside the outdoor porch area of the chicken coop, yet block all the wind. They love to sit in there. As a matter of fact, they'll coop in there late in the evening. Many nights when I go out by 9 or 10, when I put the donkeys to bed, the chickens will still be on the coop, and I've got to chase them in the house and close the chicken door and lock them in where it's warm. So come on along. It's going to be a short little video. Put a few of these panels up and show you how nice it's going to come out. It's a great little system. So we've got the old wood burning stove going here in the barn today. I've got the temperature of the oven up to almost 350. So we've got a little electric fan blowing on the back side of this, so it's blowing the heat out into the barn, even though we have the big barn doors open. It's nice and toasty in here. I think if I check the temperature over in here, we've got it to be about it's 53, 54 degrees in here on a just barely 40-degree day. So we've got a good fire going in here today. I'm going to have to stoke it up again pretty quick. And it's doing real well. Like I said, I got the oven up to about 350 with the fan blowing on the back side of it. It's getting nice and toasty. So let's get cutting on that poly panel. The best thing to cut these polycarbonate panels with is a regular circular saw with a fine tooth blade. This is a 60 tooth circular saw, 7 1/4 inch blade. So you can just cut right through it pretty easily. What we did to secure the panels is we used button caps. If you don't know what button caps are, they are a nail with a little plastic head on it that's designed specifically to put down tar paper or tarpaulins in an emergency. They're a good thing to have around the house anyways. If you ever had an emergency with your roof or anything, keep a large tarp and keep these button caps, and then you can secure the tarpaulin to protect your house. But anyways, what you do is you take the plastic cap off of the button cap and put the screw through it. Like so. And that's what we use to secure the panels. This way you've got a nice rubber cap that's pushing against the panels, nothing hard. That way if there's any expansion that goes on with that panel, it pushes against the little rubber cap instead of a hard washer. So just our thoughts. It's the way we figured out how to do it. Pre-drill the holes, put the little screw with the button cap top on it. What are you doing? You helping? You came over to help? You gonna help Daddy?
You are. You gonna help me? You gonna hold the ladder? You gonna hold the ladder? You are. You gonna hold the ladder? Here, give me a kiss. Here, give me a kiss. You two are funny. And then there's my Brewster. That is my Brewster Rooster. He's my Brewster Rooster. It's my Brewster the Rooster. Brewster Rooster. See how nice we're making this for you, buddy? Huh? See how nice it is? No more wind. Ooh, you have sun coming through. How nice is that, huh? Pretty good stuff, huh? Pretty good stuff there, buddy, huh? Oh, you're a good boy. Yeah.
Okay, all done. So it's all enclosed in plastic. And what we'll do this summer is we'll put a piece of wood, plywood, on the inside of this, because this is where the sun hits in the summer and we don't want to roast the chickens. So for the winter, the plastic will stay on completely on the outside. And then in the summer, we'll put a piece of wood, plywood on the inside in here. And then this side will stay on. And then what we'll do is we'll remove these other small pieces on the front of the chicken coop over here. And off of the side panels and the door so that they'll have plenty of ventilation. As you can see, we did leave one small piece off up here on the top so they can get a little bit of extra air through in there. So that's it. Finished product. Oh, we can see the silhouette of the chicken. That's the finished product. Nice winterized chicken outdoor porch. Guys, ready for some dinner? You want some dinner? Are you hungry? There you go, Mr. Bart. There you go, Miss Sadie. Hope you liked today's video. It was a lot of fun enclosing the porch on the chicken coop and making a chicken sunroom. So they're going to really enjoy it, as you saw. And we're going to like keeping them warm. We've done very well with our eggs this year during the winter. We feed them cracked corn, crimped oats, and some black oil sunflower seed. and that seems to keep them pretty happy. Between keeping them warm in the chicken coop overnight and giving them that feed, we do pretty well. We've got 11 chickens, and we're probably getting 6 to 7 eggs a day, which is pretty good for being in the winter. A lot of folks' chickens go dormant completely during the winter. Ours are doing very well. So again, I hope you liked the video. Stop back and see us. I'm going to just stand here and get warmed up a little bit before we shut down the barn. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, tell your friends about us, and come back and see us. God bless you till the next time we see you, folks.